Who are they who haven't yet menstruated? Answer, any answer?
You haven't got a clue.
How many men here know who among the feminine gender haven't yet menstruated? Please focus. He thinks a person can get married to an 8-year-old child. Can you see what has happened to our nation?
Nonsense.
People such as this are walking in broad daylight on the streets of our nation, thinking that he can get married to an 8-year-old child. Hello, sir. Are you Muslim, sir? Are you Muslim, sir? Please come here.
Okay, you come here.
No, him. I don't want to go near him. You know, he's a little bit confused. So,
Are you filming this?
yeah.
What channel is this?
This is Operation Stephen.
Operation
Stephen.
Stephen.
So now, so you, how long have you been a Muslim?
All my life.
All your life, yeah. So, are you aware of? So, and you're married with a family and so on. Is there anything good about family life in the Quran at all? Some good advice.
Absolutely.
Please show me.
Oh, I'm not going to show you which chapter or anything like that.
Tell me what it says about family life.
The best. Okay. In the Quran itself or in Hadith as well?
In Quran.
In Quran. Respect to your. You see, here's the thing. You put me on the spot, but I can tell you that generally there is positive advice in there towards treating your family.
Husband and wife. Yeah. Tell me what is positive.
Okay, just get to the point you're trying to make. Don't try to lead me into a trap. Just tell me.
In the Quran there is nothing.
What's your stance on it? You think there's nothing in the Quran about but what's the claim you want to make? You've obviously called me over here.
Sure.
So I'll
tell you.
I want to understand what your point is.
Absolutely.
What's the point you're trying to make?
Okay. In relation to interaction between men and women, I think Islam is really a sex cult.
Okay.
And it's a pedophilia ring, a global pedophilia ring.
Okay, all right.
There is nothing about family in the Quran.
Okay.
In relation to husband and wife, nothing useful whatsoever positive. Everything which is here in relation to men and women instructions are negative, and I'm telling you.
Have you read the whole Quran?
Absolutely. The whole, entire, multiple times.
Show me, since you know it, and this is what you've been doing every week, show me where you think it promotes what you just accused the Quran of. Give me one example. Like, show me where it shows it's about a pedophilia ring.
Pedophilia ring, yeah. Let's deal with the pedophilia ring, yeah. Surah 65.
You claim that, so let's
Surah Al-Talaq. Surah 65, yeah?
Okay.
Ayah 4. Can you please read that for me?
Which one?
The Ayah 4.
Okay, 1 second now.
Sure.
Do you think that reading one verse...
No, please read. Please. Now you asked me to show. I'm showing you right now.
I'm asking you a question. Do you think that taking one verse from a whole chapter is fair to the message?
How many verses?
Are you Christian? What religion are you?
Would you let me speak?
I'm asking you what religion you are.
I know you're asking.
No, but
Can I speak right now?
Of course you can. Yeah, sure.
As a human being, how many verses can you read at one time? At any time?
One verse at a
Good,
time.
good. Let's start there then.
But how many chapters can you read at a time?
Excuse me, sir.
Afraid my question.
Are you afraid already?
I answered your question.
You
asked
not.
me how many
You
verses.
asked me.
No.
You asked
me how many verses I could read at a time. Yes or no? Did you ask me that, yeah?
Did you earlier
Just
ask me
answer my question. Now
to show a verse
you called me over
which
here.
speaks about the pedophilia ring? Did you ask me or not?
Did you call me over here to have a monologue? Or is this a conversation, a dialogue where we're both talking?
We're both talking.
And when we're both talking,
you
we have a
asked me
conversation.
for a verse which shows pedophilia. Remember?
Yes. Okay.
You asked me for a verse which shows pedophilia.
Yes,
Remember?
okay, yes,
And that's where I'm taking a verse showing pedophilia.
Okay, let's see.
Surah 65.
You read it.
Sure.
That's fine.
Surah 65, Ayah 4.
Okay.
It says, the surah is called Surah Al-Talaq.
Okay.
It's about divorce.
That's right.
Details about divorce, yeah. In the middle of suggesting how to divorce, when to divorce, and all those sorts of stuff, it goes on to say in verse 4, and those who no longer expect menstruation among your women, if you doubt, then their period is 3 months. It's giving a divorce period.
Okay.
If you're one second, excuse me, sir, please, let's finish reading, and then you nod your head whichever way you want. Who no longer expect menstruation among your women, 3 months. 3 months period, and then it
no
goes.
longer expect menstruation, meaning they're pregnant.
They're for some reason not expecting menstruation. Maybe they're too old.
When would you not? When would a woman not expect menstruation? When they're pregnant.
No.
I'm just trying to understand, line by line,
Sure,
word
sure.
by word. Was it?
They could either be.
So you cannot divorce them when they're pregnant. That's what it's saying so far. Meaning you need to delay. You need to calm down.
Correct.
For me, if I was started to read, and someone read that to me, I would think, wait a minute. This sounds good so far.
Can I read
So
further?
Great.
Very
Okay.
humanitarian.
Can I read?
Very humanitarian. Absolutely.
Wait. Can I read?
yes, of course.
Can I finish and then we'll.
You want him to get to that
I
bit
want to
where
understand.
yeah.
And you don't want me to get to that.
No,
bit.
I don't
Okay,
mind.
okay. So let me read
I
that.
just
Okay.
Okay,
So,
here's the thing. I
Okay.
know you want to understand,
One
but let me tell you something. He called me over for a conversation.
please don't cry anymore.
So
Please,
our
please stay.
conversation is not for your
That's fine.
understanding.
Can we get to the meat?
No, 1 second. Let's be fair, right? You're asking him to finish when the conversation is between me and him. It's not for the purpose of your understanding. It's for purpose for our conversation.
understanding
Absolutely,
only. I
because
am
he
not
called me
selfish.
over. He called me over. I'm not being selfish.
Excuse me, sir. Are you?
Did you call me over?
Can we read right now?
Of course,
Please.
carry
please.
on.
Why
Keep
are you
it,
scared?
keep it.
Please, let's read. Yeah.
Why am I scared?
Yeah, please.
not
Okay, let's
scared.
read. Let's read. Let's
I'm
read.
happy.
Please. Let's focus. Everyone focus. Let's read.
Okay.
We are reading. If you doubt, then their period is 3 months. And those who have not menstruated. Who are those who haven't menstruated, sir?
Probably someone that hasn't reached the age of puberty.
Ah, nice.
Okay.
So he
No?
taught.
No,
Okay.
no.
Maybe I
Let
might be
me-
wrong.
Let me.
Excuse me, sir. Don't
No,
touch.
no, I
don't
would-
touch.
Okay,
Yeah.
let me
yeah.
interrupt.
Yeah,
because
can you
he's
No,
explain
no,
that to me? Yeah.
once.
Let me
I'm
explain-
still learning as well.
Can I
Yes,
answer
absolutely.
on your behalf?
Thank you.
Yeah. What it is, you've got to bear in mind to study any text. If I want to read Shakespeare, yeah, knowing English is not enough. I've got to have some understanding of the culture,
Yes.
the time-related things, and everything else.
Are you
Just
joking right
reading-
now? Excuse me, sir.
Just
We're
reading
dealing with a serious
verse-
topic right now.
This is a
Look,
serious topic.
question.
I will answer for
Don't
you.
touch me.
I will answer
Don't
for
touch
you.
me. Don't
Because
touch
you
me.
cannot interrupt.
Take your hand.
Don't.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. But
What
don't.
it is
But,
is-
no.
what it is
No.
is-
What it is you need to listen right now.
No. You're
I'm
not
asking a
allowing me
question.
to
No,
answer.
one
You're
second.
not
I'm
allowing me
asking a
to
question.
answer.
Excuse me, sir.
This gentleman
Who are
gives
those-
me permission.
Who are those who haven't yet menstruated? Who are they?
The people who are pregnant. Females.
Are you
that
listening right
pregnant.
now? Are you
Yes,
listening? Okay.
I'm listening.
Please listen.
It's
Okay.
never
you-
missed
Wow.
But
Listen.
you do not allow me to answer the question in context.
Okay, wait, one second. Can you think for yourself, sir?
He doesn't
Yeah,
know
good.
nothing about
Let's read.
religion.
I'm going to read two different categories.
that verse.
Two different
But just one
categories.
second, that verse.
You choose where you put who. Okay. First
No, but just
category,
1 second. Let's
those who
explain this
no longer expect menstruation. Those who no longer expect menstruation is category 1.
Yeah.
For them, the period is 3 months.
Okay.
And then those who have not menstruated. Who are they who have not menstruated?
Okay. All right, fine.
You tell me,
So,
sir.
so this verse is the chapter of divorce. Some guidelines about divorce.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who are they who
One
have not
second,
menstruated?
Okay, one second. Can you marry someone without consummating the marriage? Can you marry?
What he's doing is playing on words.
It's fine. I've got this. Just
Yeah,
for 1
he's
second.
playing
I
Don't
don't
worry,
words.
he has
That's
got that.
okay.
He has got that.
Yeah,
He has.
you're
Don't worry.
playing
Don't worry.
words.
Please don't worry.
Just
Please don't
let
worry.
him- let him
He has
fall.
got that.
Let him
Look,
dig his own
can you
grave.
see he's
Yeah,
already
yeah, I know
confused? See,
that's
he's
what
got
I'm
that.
saying.
He's
Cool,
not
cool.
confused.
He's
Let
scared.
him dig
Scared.
He's not confused.
Scared, please.
No,
One
he's not scared either.
One second.
He's not scared.
Who are they? I'm going to ask the question again, please.
Okay,
The
relax.
question
No,
is
I know
again.
what the question is.
Who
I know
are
what the
they
question- I
who
know what the
have
question
not
is.
menstruated, please?
Let's just say one for sure is someone that hasn't reached the age of puberty. Puberty, right.
Pre-pubescent girls.
Now, okay.
Now, one second.
However-
Pre-pubescent girls.
Is it possible? Is it possible to marry someone, but not consummate the marriage before they reach the age of puberty? You answer that question now.
Yeah.
Do you understand the question?
Yeah, sure.
Is it possible to marry someone, but not consummate the marriage?
Does that happen in reality, actually?
Please.
When you're married to somebody,
Okay,
you
one
don't
second.
consummate.
I heard you. No, 1 second, please. I'm going to address each person one at a time.
No. One second. Stay focused here. Stay. Sorry. No. Doesn't matter. No. Let's stay focused. No. Whoa. No. He's got it. Don't worry. Now. 1 second. One second, stay for 1 second. 1 second, my dear friend, 1 second. Stay.
And now you come into my personal
Sorry.
space and you tap me. Don't be an
Sure, no problem, no problem. Okay, I apologize. Please come here. That's fine. Apologies accepted. Come on. That's fine. She has apologized. Please stay. Please come here.
Have some respect.
Sure. Look, let's try and find out if who respects women. Please stay. Cool. Thank
All right,
you.
cool.
Apologies. Okay, good. Now, who are they who haven't menstruated?
Did you answer my question now?
No,
I
it's-
answered. I said, is it possible to marry someone before the age of puberty?
How does that have anything to do with
I'm
the divorce
just saying.
right now?
Listen,
I'm talking about
What do you mean? How's
divorcing
it got to do? We have to
prepubescent
talk
girls.
about marriage. We have to talk about marriage
please
first.
listen to me.
If you're going to talk about
Please
divorce,
listen to me. If you're going to
Listen.
divorce prepubescent girls,
Okay.
when did you get married to them?
so I'm asking.
When did you get married to them?
Absolutely, listen. to
Can
me.
you get
But just
married to
listen. Why
prepubescent
don't you-
girls?
I've just asked you, is it possible to get married, to get into a marriage contract with someone before they've reached the age of puberty?
How is this related to what we're
I'm-
talking about right now? I'm talking about pedophilia ring right
Do you
now.
understand English?
I'm talking
Does
about
this guy understand
pedophilia ring.
English? No, hold on, stop.
Pedophilia ring.
He
Pedophilia.
doesn't understand basic
I'm talking about
English.
pedophilia right now.
Okay.
Look,
Let's calm it down.
absolutely. Everyone,
Let's calm it
look,
right
the
down.
authorities
I'm gonna say very-
would consider it
Listen,
jackpot if they have figured out a pedophilia ring.
One
And
second.
I'm
You're
telling
talking
you,
about pedophilia.
this is
Listen,
pedophilia.
It's like me
That's
saying.
right.
It's like me saying this. You're talking about. It's not even. Yeah, exactly. That's a
What
good-
translation? Who's translated? What is there?
Absolutely, 100%. I agree with you.
Excuse me, sir. Will you ever answer the question?
I will
Who
answer the question.
haven't had
Shouting.
menstruation yet?
When,
I
when
will
you
answer
raise
that.
your
Give me
voice,
5 minutes.
it makes it very difficult for others to keep.
Absolutely.
Then they raise their voice and everyone raises
But
their voice.
if you
it
can
becomes
stay
like-
focused and respond to the question at hand, did you get 1 second? Did you? Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. If you please stay
voice
quiet.
is
Thank
very
you.
calm.
Thank you very much. Thank you. The topic of discussion is pedophilia.
Okay, fine.
The focus right now needs to be.
Tell me what pedophilia is.
No,
What's
please
the definition
listen.
of
The
pedophilia?
moment someone speaks when the other
What
person hasn't finished
What
yet,
is the definition of
shows
pedophilia?
that the person is desperate. All right, these guys will have no clue.
Clergy.
How many?
Talking about the Christian clergy.
No, we are talking about the Quran right now.
No,
But Surah 65 is not Christian clergy material. Surah 65 is Islamic material. Don't get confused. It's not too. It's not too hot. Not time to lose your mind. Not time to lose your mind yet.
No, I'm not
Later,
losing
maybe.
my mind.
Now you tell me, sir. You look like a young man. Please tell me.
Now,
Please.
One sec.
The question is specific. No. The question is specific right now.
you seem to be asking a lot of questions.
The Quran. The question is.
Let someone answer your question that you keep asking.
If you stop moderating right now, would you like to answer the question?
Not a single
If you
answer.
come here,
I will answer
Not a
the
single answer.
Sure,
back.
sure.
You don't let people
So
talk.
Surah 65.
Don't work like that.
Surah 65, Ayah 4 talks about divorcing some women who have not menstruated. Now, I'd like to find out from you who among the feminine gender are people who haven't yet menstruated. Who are they?
Now, when I answer the question, can I please finish?
I'd like you to answer the question. Yes,
Yes,
please.
that would be
So,
good.
will I not be interrupted by anyone?
Now, get to the answer, please. Who are the people from the feminine gender who haven't yet menstruated? Who are they?
Sir, are you listening or are you waiting to speak?
Excuse me, sir. Don't touch me.
Sorry.
Please answer.
Sorry.
Yeah. Who are they who haven't yet menstruated?
Sir, are you listening or waiting to speak? Because I was about
Are
to
you
answer.
confused right now?
It's okay,
It's a
sir.
specific question. Do you have the answer or not? If you don't have, you can move on. I'll ask the women. Maybe they'll know better. Who among? Maybe. I know you'd like to speak. Clearly, I can see. But if you can answer, that'll be lovely. If I can get an answer,
You
look,
called me in to
it's
speak.
very easy to answer. It's very easy to answer. Why are you so afraid and are refusing to answer?
I will answer.
Who among?
You are afraid and you're not allowing people to answer because you're afraid.
How many Muslims are saying, who are they who have not yet menstruated? Who are they?
He's afraid to hear the answer.
Who are they? Who are they? Please.
I'm so scared. Let him answer.
Please.
He has no knowledge. Playing on words with his limited knowledge of another religion.
Who are they who haven't yet menstruated?
Answer, any answer. You haven't got a clue.
How many men here know who among the feminine gender haven't yet menstruated? Please focus. Excuse me, sir. Please focus. Do you have an answer?
Okay. Are you going to listen to me
Please
now?
answer.
Okay.
Please answer.
Okay.
Please answer.
What's the question?
Who are the people of feminine gender who have not yet menstruated? Who are they?
One answer to that could be someone that hasn't reached puberty.
Good.
Okay.
So if we have once, if we good, please. And therefore, if someone has to divorce a prepubescent child,
Okay. Yeah.
the question then is, when did the marriage happen?
Good
Was it
question.
prepubescence
I'll answer that.
or
Okay.
post-pubescence?
Okay, fine. When did they get married, right? Okay. Now,
Was it
you were
prepubescence or
talking about
post-pubescence?
pedophilia, right? Pedophilia is to do with sex,
Pre-pubescent.
yeah? Is that correct? Yeah?
No.
Pedophilia is to do with
Stay
sex,
focused.
right?
Stay focused.
No,
Stay focused.
Pedophilia is sex, right?
No.
No, it's pedophilia
Sexually.
with kids. Right?
Listen.
Is that what you're saying?
Listen.
Pedophilia is sex with kids.
I'm
right?
answering right
yes
now.
Or no?
I'm going to answer right now.
Is pedophilia?
I'm going to answer.
I'm going to answer right
Stop.
now. Please let me.
Whoa.
Let me adjust my hat first. I'll answer
Okay.
you in
All
Let
right.
me just do my lazy.
The man is desperate. Can you see? Are you staying focused?
Yes.
Pedophilia literally means to be attracted towards
Okay.
pedos who are
Okay.
children.
Fine.
Sexually,
Okay, I got
I
you.
haven't finished yet.
Okay.
I'm answering unlike you.
Okay.
If you are a grown-up male, maybe 40 years, 50 years of age, and if you're going to look at a child who is a girl pre-pubescent, if you're going to look at her with sexual attraction, that's what's called
Okay.
pedophilia.
Okay, got you. Okay, now-
if you do anything further,
Fine,
it is
okay.
even worse.
Okay, enough.
Go on.
Okay, fine. So-
Why are we talking
So,
about
no,
divorcing
1
such a
second.
child?
Is it possible to marry someone for a reason other than sexual attraction? Yes or no?
God knows.
No, I'm asking you.
I'm answering.
Is it possible?
I'm
to marry
answering right now.
someone- Yes.
Don't repeat. I'm answering. I just started answering. You
But
cut me short
you know
again.
the question, though.
Excuse me, sir. I heard your question.
What's the question? What's the
Is it
question?
okay for someone to
No,
get
no, no. Is it okay? Is it possible?
normal? Is it possible for someone to get married for reasons other than sexual attraction? Okay. Answer. In the Quran, people.
No, I'm asking you. Forget the Quran. I'm asking you. Is it possible?
Did you ask
Anyone-
already? Did you ask already?
Don't tell me Quran. I'm asking
Did you
is it
ask already?
possible? It's a yes or no question.
Did you ask already?
It is a yes.
Why are you afraid? Anytime I'm going to speak about the Quran, why are you
saying-
afraid?
No. I'm asking you a question. It's a yes or no. Is it possible to marry someone for other than sexual attraction reasons?
The
Yes or no?
focus-
It's a simple yes or no question.
I'm-
and if you're not going to
I'm-
answer
I-
yes or
I-
no,
I am-
you're wasting my time.
All right,
I'm gonna walk
keep
away.
moving. Whoa!
You're scared.
If you are a pedophile who is going
I'll tell
to,
you what it is. You've never seen me here before. I used to come here maybe 20 years ago. I left the country. I moved to Dubai. I went to Turkey. And I come
I'm
here
not
now-
looking for your
No,
CV right now, sir.
1 second.
I wanted
You
to
thought-
find out.
You thought I was some.
Don't touch me.
You thought I was some silly little guy standing there. Just
No, I think you're
I
a
don't know how to
silly
debate
grown-up
with
guy.
people. I know how to debate with
The
people.
problem-
And I know troublemakers like you.
The problem.
Can choose
Wow,
little things.
wow,
So
wow,
talk to me.
wow, wow,
Okay,
wow,
yeah,
wow. The problem.
Here to cause
The
trouble.
problem.
Here to cause hate.
The problem we are dealing with is this book, which is called the Quran, which you are following today. Essentially,
I wish I was following
essentially-
it. I don't follow it enough, properly enough.
and that is why the
That's the
nation.
problem. That's the
that
reason
is why
why
the nation
we're
is a little bit okayish now. If
No,
you start
no,
following
no,
this,
it's not okay.
like Al Qaeda, like your Baghdadi, the nation would be in a terrible state right now.
No,
Thankfully,
we're following it better.
people like you are hypocrites,
We'll be better.
munafiq, and therefore the nation is okayish today.
Can
Now,
I just say something? Look,
if you would like,
you
excuse me, sir,
say-
excuse me,
you
sir,
use words
excuse me,
like
sir.
pedophilia.
Munafiq,
You
please
use
wait,
word-
please.
You use words
Munafiq,
like,
you need to wait right now.
You use words like pedophilia. pedophilia,
just mentioned to you.
use words like munafiq,
Munafiq,
and
yeah.
you're not going to. Yeah, the conversation is not going to be
Good.
fruitful.
Would you
if
like
you
to-
disrespect
would you-
others?
would you
I'm
like
not
to-
calling you?
would you like
a
to-
dirty brown Indian? I'm
Look.
not calling you a dirty brown Sri Lankan.
That's fine.
A
Look.
Tamil tiger.
Okay.
I'm not saying these things.
look.
Don't use words like pedophilia.
Look.
I'm not saying dirty.
Are you
shit.
happy right now?
I'm not saying dirty shit.
Would you like
Indian or anything like that. No.
would you like
No. I'm just saying. Let's be.
do you want a
respectful.
fresh
Listen, no,
napkin?
no,
You're
I've got-
crying.
I've got-
Would you like a napkin
I've
right
got
now?
a few used ones.
Good,
Do you
good.
wanna
Please,
use one?
please, if you could read, use that, please. Thank you. That'll be lovely. Because you're crying already. Come into speaker's corner now.
I'm so
Okay.
happy to
Now
be here.
let's focus.
I'm so happy
Let's
to be
focus
engaged
right
in a
now.
conversation
Let's
with you.
focus right
The
now.
only thing is,
The
it's
most
annoying
important.
that I can't have a
The
decent
most.
conversation with someone.
Sure. You know why? You know why we are unable to have a decent
can't hear you.
conversation?
You shout like
You know why? You know why we are failing to have a decent conversation? The moment you defend pedophilia, it is no longer decent, regardless of whether you cry or not. So the reason we are failing to have a decent conversation. You tell me, sir.
No, he's talking.
Getting divorced from a prepubescent girl
No, hold on.
is a pedophilia or
He doesn't
not?
want to talk to you. Saying talk to me. So let's talk.
Getting divorced from a prepubescent girl is that pedophilia or not?
No, it's not, and I'll tell you why it's not.
Please
okay,
explain.
because I
Thank
just
you.
asked you.
No,
I
stay
just-
focused.
No.
You're
I'm
going to
staying
now
focused.
explain
Stop saying
why
stay
this is
focused.
not pedophilia.
This is your tactic. You keep saying stay focused and you talk over me when I'm about to answer.
Why is this not pedophilia?
You're saying getting divorced from a prepubescent girl is paedophilia. That's your statement. And I'm saying it's not. Because you can get into a marriage contract with someone and not consummate the marriage. Let's just say there's an 8-year-old girl, okay? And someone goes into a marriage contract with her, okay? 8-year-old girl. She hasn't reached. Maybe she's going to
Would you
reach.
do that?
No. I'm
you do that?
I'm answering your question.
Sure,
Wait.
I know.
No.
Yeah,
Stop.
please.
Stop.
Would you
stop
do
throwing,
that?
stop throwing the conversation.
let him finish.
Stop throwing the answer off the rails.
No,
right?
it's
Keep
all.
it.
It's very much
no,
on
you're
rail
interrupting
right now.
me. You're
It's very much on
interrupting
rail
me.
right now.
Let him
Yeah.
finish.
It's very much on rail right
Someone
now.
gets into a marriage contract
With an
with a
8-year-old.
girl.
With an 8-year-old
a
child.
marriage contract. That's just paper.
Sure.
okay?
And
All
with an
right?
8-year-old child, please
Yeah,
go on.
with an
Please,
8-year-old
please go
child.
on, yeah.
And then a month later or a week later, without even doing anything, just divorcing her.
Yeah.
And cancelling the contract.
Sure.
Is that a possible scenario
Good,
that
good.
can
Have
happen?
you answered?
Whether you agree with
I'm
it or
going to-
not,
I'm going to respond
is
right
it a possible
I'm
scenario
going
that
to answer-
someone gets into a marriage contract?
You mentioned that already.
Yeah, I'm asking
let me
you. Now
answer.
you.
Yes or no?
No, the question was,
go on.
how can you divorce a prepubescent girl? That's what you're asking.
No, you asked a specific
no, but
question
you
right
asked
now.
me and I'm answering. So to summarize,
Yeah.
the question was, can you divorce a prepubescent girl?
You made
and
a
I
point,
Said,
yeah.
And I said,
Yeah.
you can marry some. Let's just say someone got married to a prepubescent girl.
8-year-old child,
by
8-year-old child.
In a. Made a
8-year-old
co- just
child,
by
yeah.
contract.
8-year-old
Not
child.
consummating.
8-year-old child.
Okay, a 7-year-old child, okay?
7-year-old child.
There you go. A 7-year-old
my
child.
dear
No,
friends-
No, you're not listening.
Look,
They
have
went
you
into
finished
a
your-
marriage contract
Good, yeah.
and they got divorced before she reached puberty.
Sure.
The marriage wasn't consummated. They didn't touch each other. They didn't do
Happy?
anything.
Happy?
All right?
Now
Does that
I'm going
answer
to
your
respond.
question?
I'm going to
You
respond.
asked me if that was possible,
I'm going to
and I
answer.
said in that scenario that makes it possible.
Sure.
Do you agree that that's possible?
Thank you.
But do you agree
Thank
that
you.
it's possible?
I'm going
now?
to speak right now.
No, but
I'd
do you
like-
agree it's possible? Yes
I'm
or
going
no?
to speak right now.
Is that a
I'd
possibility?
like for you to be quiet right
Fine.
now. Okay.
What's
Good,
that?
good. Can I
What's
speak
my
right now?
Is it a possibility?
Can I speak right now?
Is it
Look,
a
I heard what you
possibility?
said. Can I please speak right now?
Go on.
So can you, my dear ladies and gentlemen, talk to him. Stay focused, sir. If you want an happy break,
Stay
please go
focused
there.
on heckling.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, the guy here, who I'm assuming is British, is giving a possible scenario that he sees as legitimate. Stay focused.
I didn't see legitimate.
I'm speaking
It's
right now.
only to answer your
I'm
question.
speaking right
And
now.
I'm not going to let you
I'm speaking
misrepresent
right
me.
now.
I'm not going
I'm
to
speaking
let
right
you
now. I'm
misrepresent
speaking
me.
right now.
But I'm not going to let you misrepresent.
What does he say?
You asked a question.
What does he say?
No. What
He
is the
thinks a person can get married to an 8-year-old child. He thinks
And then
the
what?
person.
And
Can I
then
finish?
what? Okay.
Excuse me,
Yeah.
sir.
And then
Thank
what?
you.
Yeah.
Don't be desperate.
Okay.
Thank you very
I'm
much.
not desperate.
So, gentlemen, please
Don't
take.
misrepresent
Stay.
me.
Wow. I'm
Okay,
speaking
all
right now.
Fine.
Okay. Please take a look at him carefully.
Have a look at this guy.
I know.
Look at him.
Yes, yes.
He's not wearing a hat.
I am
Got a
against
few grey
thinking
hairs,
even.
a bit of black. He has a beige jacket and a grey scarf. Please look at him carefully.
Yeah, please look at me
He's
carefully.
about
Lovely.
5'4".
Good, good.
And he's wearing brown shoes.
Nice, wonderful.
Stay
So,
focused.
stay focused, stay focused.
Stay focused.
But in
He's
contrast,
holding a microphone in his hand. You see, listen.
Listen,
If you're going to
I'm answering.
lie about me,
I'm
not
answering.
going to let you
I'm
speak.
answering right
I'm
now.
going to talk nonsense over you.
Look, I have
can do
been-
what you're
I have
doing.
been- I have been
If you're gonna be
respectful so
honest-
far.
If you're going to be honest and respectful, I will carry on talking.
I
to you
have
honest-
been- I have
honestly
been
and
respect-
respectfully.
I have-
If you're going to misrepresent me,
I have
and
been
talk
respectful
nonsense,
so far.
I'm going to
From now on, I will ignore you. From now on, I will ignore you.
Okay,
you can move on.
And from now on,
So-
I'm going to ruin your channel.
If you can, don't touch me. Don't
From
touch
now
me.
on, I'm going to ruin your broadcast.
So, my dear friends,
So my dear
if you
friends,
stay
if you
focused,
stay focused,
the gentleman here
this
thinks
gentleman
you can
here-
get married to an
That
8-year-old
this
child.
yes.
And he goes on
Yes.
beyond that. And he
Blah,
thinks
blah.
it's not
And
just
he
that
thinks
you
it's
can
not
get
just
married to an 8-year-old child. He also thinks
Nonsense.
you can get divorced
Misrepresent-
from the same
Out
8-year-old
of my
child.
house. Yes.
Can you see
Blah, blah.
what
Yes,
has
yes,
happened
yes.
to our
And
nation?
you can see
Can you see what has happened to our
Yes.
nation?
nonsense. This
People such as this are walking in broad daylight on the streets of our nation, thinking that he can get married to an 8-year-old child. Wake up, my dear friends. Wake up. All of us need to be careful of people such as these.
I never said
All of us. Because if this guy would stand up in a public place, if this guy would stand up in a public place and claim that you can get married to an 8-year-old child, can you imagine what he would do behind closed doors? Can you imagine what he would do to children across the nation? And now he is becoming more desperate. Look at him, shameless. Shameless to think he can get married to an 8-year-old child. Instead of leaving his pedophilia ring called Islam, he thinks he is going to validate and justify getting married to an 8-year-old child. Shamelessly at Speaker's Corner. Now that he is beginning to have a little bit of shame, he takes his phone and moves around here and there. How about you, my dear friends? Are you also in approval of getting married to an 8-year-old child?
By speaking to me like a human.
Are you also in approval of getting married to an 8-year-old child? Are you also, sir, please?
Talk to your interlocutor.
How many of you would like to hide away right now? Now he is hiding away already. How about you, sir? Would you like to get married to an 8-year-old child?
Talk to your interlocutor.
Now, why are you hiding there? Why are you moving away? Why are you hiding and moving away?
Why are you scared now, Roddy?
Hiding and moving away. Why? Why are you hiding and moving away? Are you also happy about getting married to 8-year-old children, sir? Yes, yes, everyone's scared. Everyone's scared. Dear friends, as you see, Islam is clearly shameful. The remedy for the fact that Islam is shameful is not to hide away, but to live it. In contrast, if you've heard about Jesus Christ, my dear friend, to you, you are very young. Let me please tell you. And I can see, because you are young, you've gone through perhaps limited brainwashing so far. Have you ever read the Bible?
Parts of it, yeah.
You have.
Why are you asking me questions?
Have you? Yeah. Now he was saying that you can get married to an 8-year-old child. Do you think that is good?
He never said that.
So he was talking about getting married to an 8-year-old
He said
child.
that in certain circumstances.
Yeah, when you get the circumstances are.
He said
What are the circumstances?
when you don't consummate the marriage.
So you can get married to an 8-year-old child, is what you're saying.
No.
So wait, that is what he said.
What do you mean, my dad? Bro, he asked you a yes or no question. Let's go back.
I'm asking you again. I'm asking you again. Would you like to get married to an 8-year-old child?
Why you asking me? Bro,
No, but that's what he's talking about. Getting married to an 8-year-old child. Getting married to an 8-year-old child is shameful. Leave Islam. It's really shameful. Look, your adult is telling you to move away. That's how shameful it is.
What religion are you?
Getting married to an 8-year-old child,
What religion are
whether
you?
it is in Speaker's Corner or elsewhere, is utterly
Are you
shameful.
Hindu? Or
For you to do that
Christian or
and
what?
for you now to try and distract the conversation is...
what they do.
Come again?
That's what they do. They try to just.
Yes, absolutely. Showing up in a public place such as Speaker's Corner and defending getting married to an 8-year-old child.
So annoying.
Can you believe the level of utter junk that is filling our nation? And you're moving around and showing up as if you want to have a legitimate debate
What religion are
at
you?
Speaker's Corner.